Hey, hi, this is Mitali Graphologist, your life mastery guide. I help people to find out their strength and weaknesses without even meeting them and just looking at their handwriting and signature. Till date, I have helped more than 5,000 people by analyzing their signature and give them correction in their signature and whatever guided signature I'm guiding people, I'm helping them, and those who are really practicing their guided signature, my students are getting 100% results within 21 days of practicing this guided signature. So I'm really blessed with this skill of graphology, and I'm super happy that I'm able to help people through this particular skill. As I have already explained in my previous videos that what is graphology exactly. So graphology is the science of your own handwriting and signature. Signature talks about our public image, our social image, whatever your signature is, that is the way people are really looking at you. That is how people are observing you. That is how people are understanding you. Okay, that is your signature is as equal as your public image. Your signature is as equal as your social image, and whatever life circumstances you are going through, whatever we get our environment around us, accordingly we attract signature. If you remember that day when you have created your own signature, either you must have created by your own, or you must have copied someone signature style, or maybe someone else, or maybe your parents or cousin or your friends must have given you some style of your signature, right? And that is how you have attracted, that is how you have created your own signature. But do you all know that whatever signature you are creating, those kind of impacts, or rather we can say that kind of results, or those things you attract from the universe, the way your signature is. If your signature had some traits, if we can say that if your signature has some negative traits, no doubt that you will attract those kind of things. So there are a lot of things which you should really avoid from your signature, and today we are going to discuss one of the important trait which no one should have in their signature. Okay, so let's study what is that trait which you should not have in your signature if you really want to grow your professional life, if you really want to take care of your public image of your or your social image, or if you really want to make your career at a great extent, or if you really want to do a good career, then you should avoid this thing in your signature. So let's see what is that exactly. So as I said that till date I have analyzed more than 5,000 signatures. Then I can say that almost 60% of the time I see this particular trait in your signature, that most of the time people do encircle their either first alphabet or their entire name. They just, in graphology we call as a loop. So they, if suppose for example a person name is Mukesh, so and if he is doing his signature like Mukesh, but if he is inserting alphabet M, or if someone name is Amit and if he is just looping his alphabet A, it looks like this. When we are talking about loop, they are just encircle their first alphabet or that entire name. So whenever you are doing that encircling that particular alphabet, that means you are creating a boundary around yourself. You are like, see, whenever we are creating a boundary, we cannot just go beyond that. Okay, so if if your signature has that particular trait, then it must be definitely happening in your life that you are just about to achieve something, and very last moment something unexpectedly happening, and you are getting those challenges in your life as far as your professional image is concerned, or as far as your professional growth is concerned. Okay, so if you're really facing all these challenges, that you're feeling that you're just about to achieve something, you're just about to reach somewhere as far as your goals are concerned, and you're getting very last moment challenges, then this particular trait is really blocking your success. So if your signature has this particular trait, please remove that trait. And if you really want that you would like to have, if you would like to analyze your signature by me, you please feel free to comment below, and there is a link in the description. You can join Italy Graphologist Academy mobile app. It is available in the Play Store now, and you can just click on that link and get more information about how exactly you can get your signature analyzed, plus how you can get your signature corrected. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you feel that this video is really valuable to you, and you or your friend has this particular loop in your signature, please remove that. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel so that you can, I will be keep on updating more and more videos, and I'll be sharing more and more knowledge about this graphology and signature. So keep watching. Bye bye.